Gastric pain, gastric trouble, meaning Udarvayu as per Ayurveda, which everyone has it once in a while in their life. But when this gas pain, bloating will be your daily situation, then it's really hard to live. Now, gas also has it two kind, meaning one in which people has a lots of gas formation, but it can also easily pass from your body by the rectal area, in which he get relief, but yeah, his family cannot. In the other type, the person has a lots of gas formation, but it cannot pass easily. Also, it can reflux in other parts of your body, and bloating, pain, these kind of circumstances and symptoms can be arrive. Sometimes it goes to your shoulder, sometimes it goes to your heart also, and it's fluttering, in which patient also confused, is it a heart pain, and he went to the doctor, then it comes like it just a gas or gastric trouble. So, these kind of gastric trouble will give you chest pain, sometimes headache, or shoulder pain, usually bloating, flatulence, belching. These kind of symptoms are very common in these kind of gastric pain, which cannot be passed easily from your body. So, in today's video, we'll get to know the causes and Ayurveda treatment of gas, bloating, pain, and flatulence, in which gas cannot release from your body easily. It's stuck and around floating from your overall body and gives you lots of pain. So keep watching and stay tuned. What are the causes of excess gastric trouble? As per Ayurveda, excess air formation or Vata Prakop is one of the cause. Now, Vata Prakop will be increased in those people more who are not following the Ayurvedic diet plan, who doesn't know when to eat, how much quantity they need to eat. I already done one video on Ayurvedic diet plan. If you haven't seen, go and check out in the card button. I already told all the dietary Ayurveda rules in that video. As per Ayurveda, we have some rules like we always need to eat when we are really hungry. We should not eat like whenever somebody bring any yummy food or tasty food we start eating. That's not the way we have to. So that it makes your digestive fire weaken, and because of that your digestion will get compromised and you are unable to digest your food properly, and then you got bloating, gas, flatulence kind of symptoms. But again, there is a question like why some people have a gastric trouble but they easily can pass out, release the gas by the rectal area, but some may not, and some people they have bloating, flatulence, and pain. Why this is happening? So the logic behind is, as per Ayurveda, we have a 5 kind of vayus in our whole body. First is Pranavayu, Udanvayu, Vyanvayu, Samanvayu, and Apanvayu. So the things which come out from the bottom of our body, that is the work of Apanvayu. That meaning of Apanvayu is downward moving breath. The urine we pass, the poop we pass, and the female delivery and the male semen. This is all the example which is done by the Apanvayu as per Ayurveda. But when this Apanvayu got disturbed or imbalanced, the gas which formed in our body, it cannot release easily. Next thing is that in Ayurveda we have 6 kind of rasa, meaning taste, like salty, sour, bitter, sweet, astringent, and pungent. But the people who love only single or one kind of taste, they have more prominent to gastric trouble or pain. Like they love only salty food, they used to eat salty things and they avoid sweets. Or some like only sweet things, they avoid the salty things. So this kind of nature of eating can also aggravate the gastric troubles in our body. Maharishi Charak also said in his Charak Samhita importance of all rasas. Rasa swadam lavanam tiktoshan kashayaka. The people who doesn't consume all 6 kind of rasas, they do have more excess protection of gasa, and they do have more vata prakop. The next reason is the people who are eating more drier food, like which doesn't have a liquidity, like cookies, chips, and the frozen foods, which doesn't have like little moisture. In that situation they have more gas formation, because vata's primary symptom is dry and cold. So the people who are eating more dry and cold food, they do have more prominent to vata dosh and gas formation. Next, Maharshi Charak said in Charak Samhita, the people who suppress the nature urges, the nature call, they also do have excess gas formation, excess vata prakop, because whenever we need to feel urine or poop or motion feeling, we always go first to do that. The people who stop that, they always have these kind of symptoms. Mostly we are so busy in our work, like in our office meeting, watching movie, watching games or something. So we avoid a nature call. So Maharshi Charak also said in Charak Samhita, Na vegan dhare dhiman jatan mutra parishyo. That means whenever we feel the nature urges, we always give it a priority and first go that thing and then after second thing, so that we can avoid excess formation of gas in our body. Now let's talk about the cure and treatment. How we can cure these things by Ayurveda remedies. So first thing is amlaras. That means the sour taste things like lemon or lime, which has a sour taste. These things are very very good for the gas formation. So what you need to do, you have to take small amount of ginger, chopped ginger, and pinch of lemon, just lemon drops on it, and eat these things before your lunch and dinner. So that will help you to increase your digestive fire, your appetite, and also help in digestion and excess gas formation. And sometimes if you have gas, it can easily passed out by your bodies. Second thing is that you need to take 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 spoon of fennel seed. Just soak it well in the lemon juice, and when fennel seed absorb all the lemon juice, then the remedy is ready. Now whenever you have a gas formation and pain, just eat this thing with the warm water and you will be okay and you will completely pain free. Next is the pomegranate. Pomegranate is also a very very good remedy if you have a excess gas, bloating and flatulence. So what you need to do, eat every day at least half of the pomegranate after your lunch and dinner. That will really improve your digestion, your gastric troubles, pain, bloating and flatulence. So as per Ayurveda, next thing is takrakal. That means uses of buttermilk in indigestion. I already did a video in my second channel, Natural Living DRX, how to made it. So what you need to do, if you have excess gas formation, bloating, pain, abdominal flatulence, in that situation, if you take buttermilk after your lunch or dinner, it will be really really good remedy for you. Next I'm going to tell you a simple herb powder which you can easily made at your home, and whenever you have a gastric trouble, flatulence and pain, you can easily use that and you can see a magical improvement in your gases problem. For this we
इसके लिए आपको चाहिए 4 चम्मच सौंफ, 4 चम्मच अजवाइन, 4 चम्मच शाहजीरा और 3 चम्मच सौंठ पाउडर, इसके अलावा
ब्लैक सॉल्ट,
आधा चम्मच काला नमक और 1 चम्मच हींग। इन सभी चीजों को आपको पीस लेना है, चाहे तो मिक्सर में पीस लीजिए या मोटर पेस्ट में पीस लीजिए, इसका पाउडर बना के रख लीजिए। जब भी आपको गैस का आवारा बने, बिल्कुल ऐसा लगे कि गैस बिल्कुल जान निकली जा रही है, मरोड़े आ रहे हैं और गैस पास नहीं हो रही, उस कंडीशन में अगर आप आधा चम्मच ये पाउडर गुनगुनी जल से थोड़ा सा इसमें नींबू डाल लीजिए, 2-4 बूंद, और उसका सेवन करेंगे तो आप देखेंगे कि आपकी जो गैस की समस्या है वो धीरे धीरे करके पूरी तरह से शांत हो जाएगी.
Every day if you consume this after dinner or lunch, you can see your gastric trouble is also getting cured easily. We also prescribe these kind of ready-made powders for the gastric problem and trouble, like Gasar Churna, Hingavashtak Churna and Hing Peda. If you wanted, you can buy easily
डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे देंगे, आप वहां से जाके ऑनलाइन बाय कर सकते हैं. और अगर जिनके छोटे बच्चे हैं या आपको भी बड़ों को भी अगर बहुत ज्यादा गैस होती है और वो तुरंत राहत के लिए हींग का प्रयोग कर सकते हैं, तो उसमें करना सिर्फ ये है कि थोड़ी सी हींग को उन्हें पानी में चम्मच में लेकर के पानी में घोल लीजिए, उसे थोड़ा गुनगुना कर लीजिए. अगर छोटे बच्चों को गैस है तो नाभि के आसपास लगा दीजिए, गैस जो है वो तुरंत निकल जाएगी. और अगर बड़े हैं तो चाहे तो थोड़ी सी गोली हुई हींग का सेवन कर लीजिए.
Decrease your gas formation and bloating and pain. So this is the complete overall video, which is very very good for the complete cure by the naturally for a gas bloating and
गैस पास नहीं होती. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो इसे लाइक दीजिए, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कर दीजिए. और ऐसे ही और हेल्दी वीडियो देखने के लिए इन लिंक्स पे क्लिक कीजिए. और अगर कोई प्रश्न हो तो जरूर पूछिए. आपके प्रश्नों के आधार पे, आपके सुझावों के आधार पे हम अपनी आने वाली वीडियो आप तक लेकर के आएंगे. स्टे ट्यून्ड, स्टे हेल्दी. टेक केयर.
Stay tuned, stay healthy.